helmet on. Heart is lighter, twist that grip. I'm the HyperBiker! HyperBiker! Flat out, fast and higher. Hit that road and light it up. I'm with HyperBiker!
Fuck yes. She's coming out of the closet. Is it in gear? It's not in gear? Okay, let's go ahead. Oh my god. Well, she's here at the shop. She's gonna get some new tires, gonna get a cam chain tensioner on it. Man, it felt so nice to bring her home. And it felt so nice to bring her out of the frickin' cage. Yeah, she's purring, man. She's happy.
This is a cage drop-off, eh? There you are. Here's my baby. There you go.
Look at her. God damn. Tires, tensioners on there, the lights flipped around. Am I recording? I'm recording. Oh, where's the microphone? I can't find the microphone. It's somewhere. Ow. I am so nervous. Come on, baby. I just want to get back into this motovlogging thing. Quick, quick! The Romans are here! Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Keys. Oh my god. Holy cow. This thing sounds way better with that manual cam chain tensioner. There's nowhere near as much chain rattle as there used to be. Bike's not warmed up yet, but folks, we are back in action. What a beautiful day. Would like to try and get out there and get some of the sun. Try to break in these tires. We still haven't really done that yet. Bike's still kind of cold. Damn. Man, I don't remember this bike being this loud at all. It sounds incredible. Lots of pops and bangs just under decel. Also, new camera. Trying to test this out. What's up, guys? It's been 8 months. Finally back behind the bar of the bike. Getting some seat time in. I'm trying to break in these new Shinko tires. So we're going to be taking it a little bit easy, but I just needed an excuse to get the bike rolling and riding because it's been sitting for a very long time. Oh man, this feels, oh my gosh. Someone pinch me. Am I asleep? Am I dreaming? This is insane. I'm so happy to be back on the bike, guys. There's got to be motorcycles up there, I think. Yeah, there are. Now, there is a new fear unlocked for this riding season. It's the potholes and the craters in the ground. I have no idea what happened, but the devil was unleashed and just went mayhem. I don't know what it is, but there's holes bigger than your I don't even want to start with how much damage they... Hey, what up, Doc? Is that a boat? That's a boat. That's a motherfucking boat, dog. Yo, man, this guy's got a motherfucking boat, man. God damn. Yee. That's sick. Guy's on a boat. Comment down below if you knew there was a boat. That's a boat house. Oh, there's second gear. I missed second gear. I've been riding in first this whole time. Oh, that's a big pop. It's your boy HyperBiker. I missed you. What a long spanking time. I know, but we're back at it. At least attempting to. I got a new GoPro set up. I don't know how the mic sounds. I feel like the mic might sound like crap. What up, dude? It's nice to see people back on the road again with two wheels. It's nice to be back in general on two wheels because we've been going in and out of winter for far too long. We've all been kind of impatient, just wanted to come out of our prison cells. I mean, home is beautiful, right? But when you're stuck in that for 6 to 8 months straight, man, just cold, gloomy weather outside and not enough time behind the wheel of your favorite ride, you know, like, you start to miss it. Oh, this guy's flying. Yeah, man, as you can see, water levels are way up. Lots of flooding from all the snow. There was lots of snow last week, and then now it's all gone. That guy was really riding the piss out of that bike. Good for him. I don't have the balls to do that, man. Not yet. We're breaking in 2 beautiful new tires on this bad boy. We got some Shinkos. I know. A very random set of performance tires to get for your performance motorcycle. I know, right? It's very strange, but I've read nothing but good things about them. I think a very popular tire manufacturer makes these in-house. I want to say Yokohama, but I'm forgetting who it was. Everything's feeling really good so far. I'm not really complaining about anything yet. The bike sounds incredible. It feels like it wanted to wake up long ago. We got new tires. We got fresh braided lines on this thing. We got fresh fluids all around. Oh, the brakes feel so good and snappy. The throttle's been adjusted. We got that tune. We gotta be very careful about how we take corners because the road's still not perfectly warm. There's a bug. I just smoked it. But also, I have to adapt to this bike again because when I got the thing tuned and brought home, I had a massive injury on my left leg from a boating accident, so which kind of sucks, but getting on the bike right now, it feels completely different. Somebody smoking weed? Without me? Yeah, what up, dude? That's funny. I love making people feel awkward. It's like my mission in life. Should I stick the finger at this guy? Just told me there's a cop up ahead. That's cool, that's cool. I appreciate it. I feel like the microphone probably sounds like arse. I really hope not. Just gonna do a Yui. It's great. Oh, there's the Popo. He would have waved at me. I know all the cops around my area. I'm not even afraid of them. They're super chill. They all ride, man. Every time I pull up next to them, they're like, oh, yo, nice bike. What is it? And then they just start talking about bikes. It's so fucking chill. Up until the moment I get pulled over by one, then I'm going to be like, yeah, man, screw them. They suck. I always wave at them, too, around my crib. See all these craters? Gotta avoid them. Oh, man. That smell. Oh, I miss that smell. I'm gonna cry. That guy was in a hurry. He was like, hurry up. You got no timmies. I swear there was a biker behind me. I don't know where the heck he went. Huh. I don't know how I feel about these domino grips, but these bar and weights really do help with absorbing some of the vibration in my hands. My hands have not gone numb, which is awesome. The guy's playing guitar. That's awesome. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I like cruising. I'm not a big fan of ripping it all the time. I like cruising, chilling, hanging out. Something about just being in the moment is so sweet. But if you ever want to break away, I get it. Open throttle therapy, man. It's a real thing. It's very emotional for me, actually, when I do that. but really does get the heart going. And I gotta be honest with you, I'm not very good with high pressure environments, so if the pressure's on me for holding on for dear life, I'll tell you, I better count my blessings and hope that I'm lucky. This guy was just waiting to get behind me. He was like, hey man, you got the... Oh, Del Sol! Whoa! Yo, what's up? He nodded.